Following the recent release by the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi of the 8th installment of the Pm-Kisan scheme for farmers, the Congress Mla of Mawsynram constituency HIMA M. SHANGPLIANG had expressed his disappointment at the number of online registration of farmers of the state as beneficiaries of the scheme. Speaking to the media, HIMA SHANGPLIANG questioned the Agriculture Department and the Minister in charge of this particular department on the number of farmers that have been registered for receipt of the Pm-Kisan scheme, while informing that other states in Northeast India had submitted thousands of names. Meghalaya's Agriculture Department had submitted only 8,967 names of farmers, and for the same, an allotment of only rupees 1 crore 80 lakhs and 78,000 had been sanctioned for the state.
Ngisauto ba di bandan ka online registration yakini ki nogrep ngisauto ba ka office jong ka agriculture ka ladei banyarap iki nogrep ban perung kerteng ndre ka jinglungo kalong ba imat kane ka tanat trekam jok ka agriculture kamsunale AA banyarap iki nogrep ngabo ka jingkali ka sarkar kumno kinle banyarap yakini kinorep chungi abo kajingkali yung minister in charge agriculture bahakano kadur unyarap yakini kinongrep banyakot kat kata ka kerdan jom ka Mizoram ka Manipur ka Bapha daki hajar daki lakmut hakini kising yo i katno kajing yakinongrep kichungi gendet lah hukum bandan ka lockdown kinorep jongi kimsem la yok por tangman litra ya kijur ki jap jongi hayo kendet habadan ka lockdown kijur ki sakun lut shalom nakaliya ka sarkar ki lale ayu banyarap iki nongrep bankit banba yakini kijur banlit di hayo